It's above me, I think. Oh shit! One pump. Sorry, sir.
You ready? Let's go.
Lower.
Ready?
Yep. Oh shit. There you go. Ooh, shots to my left, south. Got him.
Shake him.
I full killed him. Oh. Knocked him. The other dude swam away. Little bitch. Went down the waterfall and swam away. Yeah, be swimming somewhere.
Right here.
Jeez.
What?
Like that aimbot. Shit. On the bridge.
Get out of here.
Oh, I jumped. I didn't mean to. Oh, I died.
I think we need to. I got you. I have the match.
Launch pad?
Him for 39. I don't have. I have no ammo.
Fuck.
I'm dead.
No, you're not. Don't give up. Keep going. Keep
Oh my
going.
gosh.
You got minis? Heal up. What a show.
I'm gonna spray it. Spray.
Yeah, spam it.
Spray. Keep spraying. Keep spraying.
Oh, he got me. He got me. What the fuck?
Heal up. You got anything?
I got bandages. This guy has good aim, Jonathan. Oh my goodness.
He's down at the bottom. Just one good rocket. He has a sniper. Oh, that was not the best rocket. I think he's out of mats. He's playing super passive. Oh, he's got a sniper to the right. Oh, it's a heavy.
I'm telling you, bro, this is good. Oh my god, see? Oh my god, aimbot.
Oh, what a rocket. First game, Angel. Every time
Yeah.
I died.
Yes.
I got 5 kills and died.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress. So I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.